Legend says that bathing with the water that runs the mill fountain, located at the top of the Ouzoud waterfall, in the high mountains of the Middle Atlas in Morocco, can expel the jinx from young women wishing to marry, and facilitate the conception of infertility. The name Ouzoud on the highest Moroccan waterfall, in the north of the African continent, is a Berber word called an olive or grain mill, and the mill at the top of the waterfall, and rotates with the power of water, is called Ozark nouaman, and means in Arabic watermill. Vertical watermills remain more famous and numerous in the world than horizontal, although the technique used is the same, pushing water and exploiting its power with a slight difference in the form of vertical or horizontal bottom flow. The naoora wheel consists of 25 wooden arms, placed in a horizontal way, located below the mill in the stream of water passing under the chamber. The naoora is connected by a vertical axis with the rock mill, with its upper and lower parts, which makes the mill rotation speed similar to the rotation speed of the water wheel, which causes the upper part of the mill to move above the lower, and grind the grain smoothly. The mill receives various types of cereals, from barley, wheat, corn and peas. It is customary for the owner of the mill to receive a portion of flour that takes into account the proportion of the amount milled, instead of material compensation.